Good morning, students. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I'm your English teacher. You all know that yesterday we have started a new lesson number 12, the Nawab of Salimabad, part 1 in English literature. Yesterday I have explained you the half part of the chapter. Today I have explained the rest of the chapter. We have finished the explanation part and we have done question and answers also. You have to do it in your English literature copy. Start the work, students. Students, you all know that we have read till here. Today we will study from here. Storyteller. The farmer's wife served the Nawab and he ate with great enjoyment. Nawab, that's the best meal I had for a week. But tell me, why are you so poor? Have you no children to help you? Now, we all know that the Nawab had changed his attire, means changed his disguise, and he had become a traveler. He took shelter from a old farmer and his wife because he was wet outside. Now the farmer's wife gave him some chapatis and onion to eat, and the Nawab ate it with great pleasure. Now, Nawab says, why are you so poor? You don't have any children? Farmer's wife. Well, sir, we have 3 sons, but they are all serving in the Nawab's army and we are alone. Now, farmer's wife says, yes, sir, we have 3 sons, but they are working in Nawab's army and both the couples are staying alone here. Farmers. We grow a little wheat and onion on a strip of land and manage somehow. Nawab, do your sons ever write to you? Now, farmer says that we had a little land over there. We grow some wheat and onions. And from that only they manage. Now Nawab says that did your sons write any letters to you? Farmer, no, they can't write or we can't read. Farmer's wife, and we don't know where they are. They all serve in the cavalry. Now farmer says no, they can't write and we can't read. And then farmer's wife says, we don't know where they are, but I know that they all serve in the Nawab's cavalry. Nawab, how interesting. And what are their names? Farmer's wife, Salim, Hamid and Irfan. Now, farmer says, Nawab says, oh, how interesting it is. Tell me their names. Farmer's wife says, Salim, Hamid and Irfan. Farmer, and they all ride the Nawab's fine horses. Nawab, are you not angry with the Nawab because he takes away your sons for so many years? Farmer says that they are riders in Nawab's army. Now, Nawabs aren't you angry with Nawab because he took your sons for so many years? Farmer's wife, no. The Nawab is great and good. We are proud that they serve him. Now farmer's wife says, no, not at all. The Nawab is a very great and good man. And we are very proud to serve him. We are very happy to obey him. Nawab, well, thank you for my dinner. Your onions are the best I have ever tasted. Now I must start on my travels again. Farmer's wife, no, sir. You must sleep here. You can't go out in this awful rain. Now, Nawab says, thank you for your dinner. The Nawab said thanks to farmer's wife and farmer, and he says that your onions were the best. He had not ever tasted like these onions. Now he was going to start his travel again. Farmer's wife stopped him and says that you must stay over here in our house. Don't go out in this bad weather. Farmer, make yourself comfortable by the fire and cover yourself with this old blanket. Nawab, how kind are you? Now, farmer says that cover yourself with this blanket and sleep beside the fire. Now Nawab says, how kind are you? How helpful you all are. Storyteller. The Nawab slept well. In the morning, the old woman gave him some breakfast. The Nawab then went on his way and finally returned to his palace. Now the storyteller says that the Nawab slept well over there, and in the morning the farmer's wife gave him some breakfast, and then Nawab says goodbye to them, and then he went on his way, and at last he came back to his palace. And the story was written by David Horsburgh. Now students, quickly open your English literature copy. Today we will write question and answers in our English literature copy. Write down classwork, date 2nd February 2021. Lesson number 12, The Nawab of Salimabad, Part 1. Exercise 1. Answer these questions. Today we will do question and answers in our English literature copy. Question number 1. What made the Nawab's cloak wet? The question is, why was the Nawab's cloak wet? Answer is, the Nawab's cloak got wet because it was raining heavily. Why was the Nawab's cloak got wet? Because it was raining heavily outside. Question number 2. Did the old couple's 3 sons write letters to them? Now, the old couple had 3 sons. Did their sons write letters to them? Answer. The 3 sons did not write letters because they could not write and their parents could not read. They could not write and their parents could not read. Question number 3. What is a regiment? Answer. A regiment is a unit of soldiers in the army. What is a regiment? A regiment is a unit of soldiers in the army. Question number 4. What did the old woman give the Nawab to eat? Answer. The old woman gave the Nawab to eat some chapatis and onions. What did the Nawab eat? The Nawab eat some chapatis and onion. Question number 5. What did the couple grow on their land? Answer. The couple grew some wheat and onions on their land. What did they grow? They grew some wheat and onions on their land. What is your homework? Your homework is learn the question and answer of lesson number 12. Students, don't write this statement in your classwork copy. Write it down in your school diary or rough copy. That's all for today. If you have completed your English literature work, question and answers, then show it to me in the WhatsApp group, students. That's all for today. Have a good day. Your homework is learn the question and answers of lesson 12. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.